Yeah, it's giving like maternity. I kind of think I'm into these. 150% not something I would wear. It also smells like the hotel I stayed in Paris when I was like 16. Let's get cozy. Hey guys, it's Cleo. Welcome back to my channel. First things first, I'm filming with a new camera, and my last camera had a flip screen so I could see what was going on in it. I have to have this one hooked up to a monitor so that I can see if it's in focus, and it feels so weird not being able to see what's going on in the thing, so I can see it here. If I look down there, it's just me getting used to it, so I'm gonna try my absolute best to just look at the camera. But as you can tell from the freaking title, this is a pretty fun video. My friend actually gave me this video idea. I've seen people do this on YouTube. She sent me a couple different like depop accounts of people who do mystery style bundles. I basically filled out like a form of like my clothing taste, and she kind of catered it to me, and it's all thrifted stuff. I haven't opened the thing yet. I haven't even like looked to see what is in it. She told me what the package looked like, so I was just like, okay, it's a pink package. I'm not gonna open it. I want to open it on camera. Okay, moment of truth. Ow! Okay, why do I not know how to use scissors? So this one was, I think it was 60 or 80. So it was $60. Yeah, it's 2 to 4 tops, 2 bottoms, and 3 to 5 accessories. $60 with free shipping. Okay, wait, cute! I can already see the colors and everything, and it looks really cute. So it's stuff. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's start with the top item. Okay, this looks way too big. But it's this kind of Y2K plaid dress. It's definitely too big. It says it's a size 8, which definitely isn't my size. So that's a bummer, but we'll try it on. First of all, it's like 20 feet too long. No, I just don't think I like it at all. Okay, like imagine, think about it like this. Like that's kind of cute. Like obviously it looks 100 times better. Still wouldn't pick it. I mean, if it was like this, I'd be like, okay, little picnic outfit. But this, it's just not it. Okay, and then this like simple light pink ribbed tank top. This is also a size medium, even though I told her I was a size small. I mean, it's a cute color. It's a little long. Maybe I can crop it. Yeah, it's giving like maternity. Like, tell me this is not a maternity shirt. And it goes down to this if I pull it normal. I'm trying not to like absolutely flame it, but this is what I'm envisioning when I'm in this shirt. I went to like a family's house, like my aunt's house, say. We went in the pool, I got my clothes wet on accident, and she's like, oh honey, let me go get you a shirt. And I'm like, oh my god, thank you so much. And she gives me this. In that scenario, it's like, oh, who cares? Like, it's just a shirt to wear right now. But you would never buy that shirt. That was the weirdest rant I think I've actually ever gone on. Dude. Literally none of these are my sizes. This is a size large. This is just a black long sleeve. Okay, like it's fine. I mean, if I like bought a long sleeve black shirt from Target, this is what I would expect. I would get into my size obviously, so it would fit better. It's kind of just boxy a little bit. I mean, it's like not bad, but it's like in a mystery bundle. I don't really want like a plain black long sleeve, so it's fine. Okay, wait, low-key we're getting somewhere. These are cute. These are actually really cute. They're like low-waisted, tan, like straight leg. Back's really cute. These are definitely very Y2K. They're a size 4, so let's try them on. Okay, I kind of think I'm into these. So I put them on with a shirt that I have just to give them like a fighting chance. I put some sneakers on. The butt's a little bit tight. I like the color a lot. I actually don't really like them with this top, but they're kind of comfortable. Okay, so far, 1. We have 1. Okay, and then this bright blue little tie top. This is actually cute. It's just not my style at all. It is cute. I can't really decide. It doesn't have a size. I mean, it looks kind of like a size medium. Maybe I could style it with a little skirt. This is definitely my least favorite thing. It is kind of see-through. It's just definitely not my vibe. I could see it being cute on someone else. I just 150% not something I would wear. So, moving on. And then this like hot pink tube top, also 100% not my size. Looks like it's gonna be way too big on me. Has like a built-in bra. I feel like most of this I don't need to really say anything. So normal length, it's literally this long. If I cropped it, it would be okay, but I just would never wear this color. I get what she was going for, like the kind of longer tube top with some low-waisted jeans. Yeah, it's just definitely not me. Okay, and then some jeans. These look cute actually. They're a size small. The style is really cute. That's fun. Okay, so again, I put one of my own tops on to kind of, again, give it a fighting chance. These are also actually cute. I like the low-waisted, and I really like this like seam detailing. I think it's really cute. So the pants are the two stars of the show for sure. I'm kind of sad. Okay, wait. And then she put in some like little goodies, like stickers and some jewelry. There's some cute little gold mini hoops. Those are cute. Some gold rings. Looks like some gold necklaces. The only thing that like bugs me is that they weren't my sizes when it's like I was super specific about sizing. In the form, like I put my sizes for everything. The style of honestly like most of it is really cute. I like those pants. I don't know. Not me being literally so disappointed. I mean, I wasn't like expecting anything amazing, but I do wish that they would have been my sizes just because that's like, I feel like that's like the most basic part of it. Okay, anyway, yeah, that is it for today's video. Maybe the stuff will grow on me a bit. I'm not sure. The black like long sleeve, I feel like that was kind of disappointing. But yeah, guys, let me know what you thought about it. Maybe I'm like overreacting and maybe this stuff is actually cute. Let me know what you think if you've ever gotten a style bundle before. Like I get that it's definitely tricky because you like don't know the person you're like picking the stuff for. I just wish the stuff was in my size. But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you. Like the video if you liked it. Comment down below so we can chit chat. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time.